everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 208 of trying a new makeup product every day. So today I'm going to be trying out the Ofra Makeup Fixer. So this small size here I actually got in the Ulta sample bag recently, but the full size version retails for $16 on Ulta.com. So this makeup fixer spray sounds so great based off of the description. It claims to be hydrating. It's enriched with aloe vera, chamomile flower, and vitamin E, and it also claims to protect the skin against environmental damage of pollution, temperature changes, and other skin irritants. Interesting. So at this point I have all of my face makeup done, so I want to go ahead and set it. I'll show you what I put on my face so far today. For foundation, I use the Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I actually use the Infallible Pro Matte powder as my bronzer. I used the Collab concealer and set that with the Essence Brighten Up powder. For blush, I've been loving the Lumi blush from AOA Studios. So that's what I'm wearing right now. And then I did fill in my eyebrows already. I used the IT Cosmetics Brow Power and the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. And I have reviews on most of those products, so I'll link those videos down below if you want to see them. But those are definitely some of my go-to products. I love the way they make my makeup look, so I definitely want this makeup to stay intact, so that's why I'm going to set it with this makeup fixer. I think this is the first product from Ofra that I'm ever trying. Not too long ago I did try out the NYX Matte Setting Spray, and I've been using that most days, but it definitely doesn't keep my face matte for long enough. This one doesn't claim to be mattifying, but I'm definitely still open to trying new makeup setting sprays, so maybe this will be my new favorite. I hope that this spray bottle is good. That's so essential to me when using a face mist. So if this does not spray well, I would definitely just put it into a spray bottle that I like instead of just throwing this away and never using it again. So that's a good tip for you. Just see how it sprays. Oh, that actually does seem to have a nice full mist, so I'm going to go ahead and spray my entire face. And after I spray my face with setting spray, I like to take my fan and dry it. Okay, so first off, I have to say that this smells amazing. This is definitely the best smelling face mist I've ever used. I actually don't really like the scents of most of the face mists that I've tried, the Urban Decay All Nighter and the NYX Mattifying Spray. I don't really like the scent of those. This one I love. Like, I would wear this honestly as a perfume. And I smelled the fragrance initially when I put it on, but I'm still smelling it now that it's dried down on my face. So if you don't like fragrance, then that is a call out because this fragrance is pretty strong. To me, it does have a floral perfume scent. Like, this scent could easily come in a perfume that you put on your wrists. And I really liked how it sprayed. I felt like I got my whole face perfectly evenly misted. And as for how it's looking on my skin, it actually looks perfect. It looks so good. It didn't alter my makeup at all, and I don't think it added any change to the finish of my makeup either. I had some glow and some highlight, and that's still there. It didn't leave a weird feeling to my skin. My makeup is not coming off. I would say that my skin just feels hydrated, which is really nice because I do have combination skin that gets really dry in places but then oily in other places. So yay! My first impression is that I'm really liking this. I love how it looks on my skin, I love how it sprays, and I love how it smells. I'm going to continue to wear my makeup throughout the day with this setting spray, and I will write in the description box down below how my makeup wore. Did this setting spray keep my makeup set in place all day? Did my skin get really greasy? I'll put all of that information in the description box if you're curious how this wears. I'd love to know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for other Ofra products that I should try out. I've heard that they have great highlighters, but that's pretty much all I know about the brand, so I definitely want to try out more. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.